beautiful souls. I'm Alicia, and you're listening to Simply Blossom, the space where we slow down, soften, and rise into alignment. Today, we're diving into something that has the power to shift your entire life: your vibration, your frequency, your alignment. Most people believe that achieving their goals means working harder, pushing more, grinding until exhaustion. But what if I told you that your emotional frequency is actually the foundation of your financial abundance, your opportunities, your overall lifestyle? What if simply becoming aware of how you feel could lead to more money, better opportunities, and a life that flows instead of fights? Today, we're exploring how raising your vibration changes your perception, your decisions, your opportunities, and ultimately your wealth. Let's take a deep breath and let's begin. Raise your vibration and improve your perception. When your vibration rises, your perception sharpens. You begin to see possibilities you couldn't see before. You notice opportunities that were invisible at a lower frequency. Alignment isn't just a spiritual idea, it's a practical tool. When you're aligned, you think clearer, you make better decisions, you attract better people, you feel guided instead of confused. And here's a truth that may challenge what you've been taught: working harder doesn't always mean making more money. You can work yourself into exhaustion and still feel stuck. Why? Because money responds to frequency, not force. It responds to alignment, not burnout. Slow down to work smarter. You must slow down to think. You must slow down to hear what God has to say to you. You must slow down to work smarter, not harder. Action is not just effort, action is alignment. Action is clarity. Action is inspired. Knowledge alone doesn't guarantee money. You can have everything and still struggle. It's what you do with the knowledge and opportunities that match your frequency that determines your abundance. Clean up your vibration. Your vibration is shaped by one thing: how you feel. Caring about how you feel is not selfish, it's spiritual hygiene, it's emotional alignment, it's wealth alignment. What if I told you that simply being aware of your emotions could lead you to more money? Because when you are aware, you can shift, you can choose, you can align. So slow down, come into alignment, and gently ask yourself, what can I do right now to get into vibrational alignment? Why does emotional awareness matter for financial abundance and a better lifestyle? Because your emotions are your frequency, and your frequency is your magnet. High frequency attracts high quality opportunities, low frequency attract low quality opportunities, or none at all. Everything is energy, everything is vibration. Even money vibrates. There are spiritual, mental, and physical frequencies. And spiritual frequency, your connection to source, to God, to love, trumps them all. When you're trying to manifest more money or achieve your goals, you must keep your frequency up. You must tune into the wealth consciousness and the gratitude consciousness. What frequency are you a part of? Take a moment and reflect. Which frequency do you want to be a part of? What level are you vibrating on right now? Are you moving through your day feeling angry, frustrated, overwhelmed, or unsatisfied? Fear, guilt, and shame are all low frequencies. They disconnect you from what you desire. They block you from your resonance with abundance. Potential energy is always flowing, but to receive what exists at a higher level, you must align your energy with it. High frequency equals flow. High frequency feels like peace, joy, acceptance, tranquility, flow. When you vibrate at a frequency of your desire, there is nothing you cannot do or have. Feel your feelings. They are the portal to love, and love is the highest frequency. Begin speaking to yourself gently. I love being patient. I love being playful. I love listening. I love feeling good. I love being happy. Your words shift your vibration, and your vibration shifts your reality. How to raise your frequency. Let's talk about practical ways to raise your frequency every single day. Nature. Walk the trail. Sit by the ocean, lake, or river. Nature resets your frequency instantly. Community. Go out. Laugh. Connect. Joy is a frequency booster. Prayer. Give your worries to God. Surrender the weight. Let divine guidance lift your vibration. Meditation. Sit quietly. Relax your body. Calm your mind. Stillness raises your frequency. Visualization. Give your attention to what you want. See it. Feel it. Become it vibrationally. Music. Play relaxing, spiritual, and high energy music. Let sound shift your mood. Gratitude consciousness. Be grateful for what you already have. Gratitude is a frequency of abundance. Love. Be kind, be gentle, be loving to yourself and others. Love is the highest vibration you can embody. You are not here to struggle. You are not here to grind yourself into exhaustion. You are here to align, to elevate, to vibrate at a frequency of your desires. When you raise your vibration, you raise your life. When you align your emotions, you align your opportunities. When you choose high frequency, you choose abundance. There's nothing you cannot do, be, or have when you vibrate at a frequency of love, peace, and alignment. So today, choose your frequency, choose your alignment, choose your abundance, and watch how your entire world begins to shift. Until next time, beautiful souls, simply blossom.